Once again, we are not buying any more body scrubs because we're making it on our own. And so today I'm going to show you how to make your very own foaming sugar scrub and without using a base. We're gonna make it all from scratch. So in this recipe, we have a couple phases. We have a water phase, an oil phase, and a cool down. So in the water phase, we're starting out with our sodium Cocoyl or SCI. Then we have our distilled water and liquid Sorbitol, and then our Glycerin and Cocoa Glucoside. For our oil phase, we have our Shea butter, our fractioned coconut oil, and then our emulsifying wax. I'm using Polawax, and then stearic acid. So we're going to pour in all of our oil phase into this heat safe container. We are going to pour all of our water phase into this one. So our SCI. When you're handling the SCI, it's best to wear a mask because it's very thin. Water. And from here, we are going to just heat it up. And smelt it down, we're gonna pour our oil into the water phase and mix. It should thicken and turn into like a gel-like texture. Okay, so as it's cooling, we're going to gather up our cool down ingredients. So we're going to add in our first cool down. So in our cool down, I have the preservative to keep it fresh. I have vitamin E to protect the oils. And then because I want this to be smelling like a cookie, like a nice little sugar cookie, I added in some sugar cookie fragrance oil. Now I'm going to try and get it nice and fluffy by whipping it. I changed containers for less spill. It feels nice and buttery. Okay, let's add our sugar and mix. So we have finished whipping our scrub, and here we have it. It's nice. Pulls apart, it's creamy, it feels like butter, and it does foam up. Hands are wet. It feels amazing and it smells like a nice little sugar cookie. And that's it, a beautiful, luxurious foaming sugar scrub. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. Hit that notification button so that you do not miss another video. And then join my Patreon so that you can get this recipe and then the many others. Join the community of like-minded individuals trying to make skincare just like you. So until next time, happy crafting.